Slowly hold the block. Inhale, come up, and exhale, release the right hand. Now hold the block in the left hand, right hand on the thigh. Inhale, stretch the left hand all the way up. Now turn towards your right leg. Reach the block outside of the right foot. Place the left hand on the block, right hand on the hip. Twist nicely now. Twist nicely over there. Turn the chest open. Inhale and take the right hand up to the ceiling. Tighten both the legs. Lift the chest up. Right hand in line with the right shoulder. Look up at your right hand and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale, come up with the block, exhale, release. Again take the block in the right hand. Inhale, right hand straight up. You're holding the edge of the block. All the way up. Left hand on the back, lower back. Place your thumb on the lower back. Support your back with the left hand. On the exhale, slowly bending backward. Take your right hand behind you. Place the block down on the ground. Behind you. Fingertips on the block. And you are trying to reach the left hand back, bending over backwards as much as possible without turning the feet. Body will be slightly to the side, that's okay. But you are almost trying to do a back bend here with your right hand on the block, left hand going up. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale, pick up the block, come back up, release the right hand. Now take the block in the left hand, right hand on the thigh. Inhale, stretch the left hand up, left side of the body as much as possible. On the exhale, you can bend your knee slightly, reaching the arm backwards, keep it down, just behind the left calf. Hold the fingertips on the block, push the hips forward, trying to do a back bend. Take the right arm back, look at your right fingers, tighten the legs, legs are facing in the same direction, feet don't change, and keep lifting from the back and the hips. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale, lifting the block up, and exhale, come down. Keep the block down, feet remain in the same position. Inhale, stretch the hands to the side. On the exhale, bend forward with the right hand, hold the left ankle. Now keep the block in front of the right foot, either straight or flat. Hold the left ankle with the right hand. Twisting nicely, you're going to reach the left hand over the head. Try to keep it on the block, right there. Twist the body, holding the right hand, using the right hand as an anchor. As much as possible, walk your left hand towards the right foot. If you can hold your right toe, go ahead, or the right ankle. Feel free to do it. Otherwise, just place it on the block and twist the chest completely to the left side. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale, come up, both hands up, exhale, release. And just move the block in front of the left foot. If you can hold the toe or the ankle, don't need to use the block. Inhale, stretch both the hands out. On the exhale, bending over to the right side, hold your right ankle with the left hand. Twist nicely and take the right hand over the head, twisting completely to the right side. Try to keep your hand on the block or near the foot, or hold the left ankle. Twist completely. Look up at the ceiling. Tighten the legs. Use the left hand as an anchor this time and keep pulling the chest open towards the ceiling. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale up, exhale, release the hands, bend your knees, bring the feet closer and relax the legs. You can move the block to the side and lie down on the mat on your stomach. Keeping your head down, head on your hands, legs are straight out, turn the toes out. All you have to do first is inhale and lift the right leg, keep both the legs tight, right leg straight up, press the left foot. Tighten the left leg, tighten the right leg right from the hip and the buttock. Point the toes out and lift. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, right leg comes down. Relax for a moment. And then from there, now tighten the right leg completely. Inhale, tightening the left leg, lift it straight up. Tighten the left buttock especially. Press the right foot down. Tighten the left kneecap, right kneecap. Keep your head down. Push that leg away from you and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax for a moment. We nicely stretch the sides and the back a little bit. Bring your hands just next to the rib cage. We are going to do Bhujangasana, not Urdhva Mukha. Elbows by your side. Tighten the toes over there. Keep the toes pointing out. You are going to only keep the elbows bent about, say, 40-degree angle. Shoulders roll back. Inhale, just come up till the navel, shoulders and chest open, look in front, elbows remain bent, stay by your side. Lift up from here, you're not extending the arms fully, it's not Urdhva Mukha, it is Bhujangasana, elbows bent, chest lifted up from the navel, legs tight, look in front, shoulders open, neck relaxed and keep breathing, hold it there. 10, 9, tighten your buttock muscles and lower back. Very good for strengthening the lower back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly drop your head down, hands down. Makarasana, keep your head on the hands, turn your toes out, relax for a few seconds. Now, keeping the toes out, tightening the legs, hands remain in the same place near the rib cage. And this time we'll do a full Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Toes are out, legs are tight. Inhale up. Look in front, don't look up. Gaze only at the ceiling, don't drop your head back. Shoulders and chest open. Push the chest forward and up. Press the hips down, tighten the legs, lift up. Tighten the buttocks, hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, come down, relax again. Keep your head on the hands and relax. Keep the legs in the same position. This time, hands by your side, elbows bent at 90 degrees. You're just going to lift the elbows up like this and your head up and both the legs, feet up. Inhale, elbows off the ground, tighten the legs. Don't lift your head, look in front. Just lift the chest. Elbows are off the ground, feet are off the ground, legs are off the ground. Tighten the legs. Feel the entire back. Look in front, keep breathing and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly, hands down, head down, legs down. Makarasana, relax. Stretch the hands in front. Take your hands one step back. Inhale, come up, chest up nicely, pressing the palms, fingers spread open. Now bend the right leg. Taking the right hand back, hold the right foot with the right hand. Inhale, lift the right knee off the ground, push the heel away from you, tighten the left arm, lift the chest up, look in front, tighten your right buttock and the right leg, straighten the right arm fully, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release the right leg, release the right hand, and relax. Drop your head down, legs down, Makarasana again. Relax. Once more, stretch your hands out. Take the hands one step back. Inhale, come up. Shoulders and chest open. Now from here, bend the left leg. And stretch the left hand out. Go back and hold your left foot. Lift the chest up, press the right hand nicely. Inhale, tighten the right leg, lift the left knee off the ground, chest up. Look in front and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come down and relax. Once more, Makarasana. Completely relax the hands and legs. I'm going to do Dhanurasana now. Bend both the legs up. Take both the hands behind you. Hold your feet either from the top or the ankle, wherever you can reach. If you need to use a belt, please feel free to use the belt. Hold at the ankle if you can. Take a full grip. Keep your forehead down first. Roll the shoulders up and back. Tighten the legs, tighten the hands. Inhale, lift the chest up, push the legs away from you. Stay on your stomach. Keep pulling the arms back with your legs. Look in front. Shoulders open, point your toes and push backwards. But your stomach stays down, chest open. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slowly release the legs. Relax in Makarasana. Now get your elbows under the shoulders, palms on the mat, shoulders rolled back, elbows will be under the shoulders. You're going to come up to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Walk your feet forward, try to drop the heels down, lift your head up, look between the hands. Press the chest in, tighten the legs. Shoulders back, push the chest back, push the hips back. Keep breathing and stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bend your knees. Drop the knees down. Come fully on the mat. Makarasana. One more time. Relax. Now from here, you're going to come up on your knees. You can use the mat or blanket or fold your mat. Use the block behind you. You'll all use the block or the blanket. Keep it between the legs. Both hands, thumbs on the lower back. Shoulders open, elbows moving towards each other. Keep the left hand firmly pushing the back and hip forward. Heels are up. Inhale, stretch the right hand up. And taking it from the side, just drop it on the block behind you. Pushing the hip forward as much as you can. If you want, turn the toes out now. Push the hip forward, forward, forward. Chest up, and then when you're ready, if you can. Otherwise, no need to. Take the left hand back. Look at your left fingers. Drop your head back, pushing the hip forward. Right hand stays on the block. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release both the hands and relax your breath for a few seconds. Once more, both thumbs on the lower back, shoulders open, elbows moving back. You can either keep the heels up or toes out, whichever is comfortable for you. Push the chest forward, hips forward. Now inhale, stretch the left arm up near the ear, all the way up. Pushing the hip forward with the right hand, chest is opening up. Now taking the left hand from the side, reach behind onto the block, right there. Push the hip forward, get comfortable with the hand on the block. Hip is nicely forward, hip should not be back here. Hip forward in line with your knees. Keep pushing the hip forward, chest open, and if you can, tighten your buttocks. Inhale, reach the right arm back, all the way back. Push the hip forward. You have nice length from the left arm. So reaching back, Look at your right fingers. Keep breathing. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, come up, both hands up and down. Relax. First drop your head, top of your head down on the mat. Take your hands and try to hold your heels and stay there. Slowly sit back in Shashankasana. Stretch your hands out, forehead down. Relax. Inhale, come up, and from here you're going to bring the right leg in front, all the way in front. Push the left hip forward. Keep the left hand out to the, just outside the left leg. Inhale, stretch the right arm behind you, lift the left leg up, hold on to your left foot and pull the foot near your left butt. Chest open. Keep looking up to the side. Pull the left heel to your left buttock. Feel that left hip. Stay there. Keep breathing and opening up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the leg, release the hand, take the right leg back. Now from here again, take the left foot all the way in front. Push your right hip forward nicely all the way. Left foot is outside the left hand. Push the right hip forward, lift the chest up. Now press the right hand a little bit to the side. Lift the right leg up. Inhale, stretching the left arm all the way back. Hold the right foot with the left hand. Push the hip forward nicely. Pull the right heel towards the right buttock. Pushing the chest forward and up. Pushing the hip forward and down. Keep breathing. Pulling the heel towards your buttock. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release the leg. Inhale, come back. Take the left leg back. Sit back once more in Shashankasana. Slowly turn around. Lie down on your back. Take the block between the inner edges of the feet. Inhale, straighten both the legs up, toes facing in, hands down by your side. Keep your chin down. You're going to keep the legs at 90 degrees, toes in, inner edge pressing against the block, and take both the hands behind your head, straighten the arms out and stay there for 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Keep tightening the arms, relax your lower back and tighten both the legs. Slowly inhale and as you exhale, bend your knees, drop the feet down, bring your hands. Now take the brick once more, or you can use the folded blanket. Keep it between the thighs, hands to the side, inhale, On the exhale, drop both the knees to the right side. Left shoulder down. Use your right hand and pull the left knee. Press on the brick between the thighs. Hold it there. Slowly. Inhale, come back center. On the exhale, drop the knees to the left. Hold it with your left hand. Turn your head nicely to the right. Right shoulder down. And stay there. Slowly come back to center. Exhale, release the block, release your legs. Stretch the legs out. Completely relax for a few seconds. Relax the body, relax the back especially. Relax your lower back, middle back,